Let go to live your dream life. Do this now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing. This channel is about ensuring that you have the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness you depend upon using the power of the universe and the law of attraction. Okay, so we're talking about letting go. Just letting go, okay? Letting go in order to live your dream life. You're not letting go and giving up on your dream life. So often when I talk to people, they'll say, well, Robert, it sounds to me like you just want me to give up on my dreams. No, quite the opposite. I desire that you manifest your dreams. And one of the ways you do that is to develop an incredible trust with the universe. You see, the universe is like your partner. Think of the universe as kind of the banker in your business dealings. The universe has all the money, all the resources. So whatever you desire, the universe has it. If you show your partner, the universe, that you have incredible trust and let go a little bit, guess what? The universe will come through for you. You will receive more of what you desire, and you'll receive it faster. So high flyers, this is about allowing what you desire to manifest in your life. You have the ability to change your life, but you have to be willing to allow it to. Look, we create who we are. We really do. I know you don't believe that sometimes, but we are co-creators of our reality. We attract the life that we live. So in order to attract the life that you desire to live, you have to have certain beliefs, you have to take certain actions, and then you have to let go and let it happen. Oh, high flyers. It is sad, but many people choose, as a matter of fact, most people choose to live the same day over and over and over and over again. Have you ever seen the movie Groundhog's Day with Bill Murray? It's kind of like that. It's the same day. Now, maybe the weather changes outside. Maybe some of the characters or people in the play change a little bit. It's kind of like a movie. Some of the characters change, but it's the same script all the time. Look, at some point, you need to decide, I'm ready to break the script. I'm ready to tear it up. I'm ready to start new with new beliefs, new ideas, new thoughts, because I am ready to let go and to live my dream life. High flyers, one of the most devastating energies that a person can embrace to keep them trapped, to keep them enslaved, is a victim mentality. You know, it's his fault, it's her fault, it's my ex's fault, it's my parents' fault. My mother did this to me. She stopped breastfeeding me too soon. My father did this to me. He raised his voice when I was young. I mean, it goes on and on and on. And then there are social injustices. And that's part of life. You're never going to escape and live in a world where everything is perfect for you. But manifestors, people that live their dream life, people that really excel and live at the highest version of who they are, these are people that refuse to give in to the victim mentality. So beautiful souls, high flyers, doesn't it make sense that if you keep thinking the same thoughts, if you remain a victim, if you keep feeling the same emotions, if you keep acting the same way, if your beliefs never change, if everything is just the same, that you're going to attract the same stuff all the time. You won't attract what you really desire. You'll attract money problems, yes, breakups, another relationship gone by, disappointments, and you'll wonder, why is this happening to me? Again, back to the victim mentality. And so the secret is that you are reacting rather than proacting. Instead of being proactive with your life, you're reacting to events. You're reacting to circumstances. You're reacting to what people say. You're reacting to what you read. Everything is about reaction. Nothing is about proaction in the direction of your dreams. Look at, I know you have deep dreams. You have deep goals and you deserve them. But reacting to everything in the world is going to keep you trapped in your own emotional cage. So high flyers, if you desire seriously to live the life of your dreams, then number one, you've got to change your story. Reinvent who you are. You know, when I lost my business and my home and my family and everything else, and I was living one step up from the streets. I mean, in a weekly hotel room, and I was just barely getting by. I had to sit down and say, who in the hell am I? And I had to reinvent myself. I had to take a good look in the mirror and make some commitments. And that involved sitting down and writing a mission statement. Now listen, I know I've talked to you about mission statements before, but this is essential. I'm going to read to you my personal mission statement. And I want you to take the time to reinvent yourself and write your own personal mission statement. Here's mine. I am here to live fully and to love deeply. I am here to learn to empower myself and thus empower others. I am here to know God within me. I am here to leave a legacy. So high flyers, by writing your own mission statement, you redefine why you're on this planet at this time. You've given yourself a mission. This is why I'm here. And then you can also rewrite your past. Look I know you've gone through a lot. You may have been through some deep, dark experiences. But at some point, you've got to give them up. You got to let go and say, I'm giving that stuff up. Otherwise, it stays with you and it continues to affect you and infect you. And it affects you in such a way that it holds you down. It holds you back. Let it go. Let go of your past. Rewrite your story if you need to, and visualize it in your mind 100, 1,000 times. You know, your subconscious, it doesn't know the difference between what you visualize and believe and conceive and what you've experienced in life. So you're literally reprogramming your subconscious mind with a new, more empowering past. High flyers, I believe it is absolutely critical that you take responsibility for your inner state of being. Who are you in here? What do you feel? What do you feel in here? What kind of life are you living? What's going on inside you? You are responsible for your vibration. And as you change your vibration, as you take responsibility, you begin to manifest the life you desire and the life that you deserve. So one of the ways that you can challenge your inner state of being is to challenge your fears, challenge your doubts, challenge your limiting beliefs, challenging your limiting feelings. This is how we take responsibility for our inner state of being. High flyers, number 3 is to invoke the highest vibration in the universe, and that is gratitude. When you're in a state of gratitude, you're filled with love, you're filled with spirit, you're filled with joy and happiness. Focus on all the things that you have to be grateful for. Have a gratitude journal. That will change your life more than any single thing you can do. And number 4, sing your song. You are beautiful. You're wonderful. You're unique. You're special. Only you can sing your song. Only you have the voice to sing your own special melody. Now here's some other videos I know you're going to want to check out.